If you're old enough to remember this car in real life, you should probably put the grandkids to bed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Oldsmobile Series 66 Club Sedan, or better known in-game as the Classique Broadway. Made by now defunct car company Oldsmobile from 1939 all the way to the late 40s, the Series 60 being named after the iconic American Highway Route 66, established way back in 1926, and finally coming to us with the latest Drug Wars update. Now I know this isn't the newer car that we wanted, but it is the Classique that we needed. Coming here to the front fascia, or what I mean complete lack of it, only possible because the car is a body on frame type of chassis, leaving everything exposed for a purpose. And a little side note, if you lower the front of the car enough, it starts to clip through the ground. Coming here over to the side, we have this awesome downtown cab coat livery, kept with stock tires for that classique look, bullet chrome mirrors, and I bet a lot of you younger people wonder what this can install on the side of the window is. Well, kids, before someone had the idea to condition air, and the only option was to open the window, came along this magnificent device. It's called a swamp cooler, which is pretty much just sticking your hand out the window and letting the breeze hit your face. Thank God for air conditioning, right? Big old rear fenders as a staple design language of, back in the late 30s, 40s, almost to the 50s. Take notice to the fender covers with the full trim to bring that build together. And the oh my whatever trim. It deletes the other three badge lines there. Should have kept it though. Walking up to the big old bubbled rear. Such a simple and somehow timeless look. Just as everything swoops down into this chromed out roadster bumper and finned out exhaust tips to match. Let's hop inside to this interior, talk about it real quick. We have my head's missing again, of course. That's kind of creepy. Okay. Beautiful two-tone texture, classic gauge cluster, but unfortunately no customization options to choose from, sadly. And since there isn't a hood here to pop open, let's hop back out and talk about the star of the show. Now, this engine would be wild to think about by today's standards. Folks, you don't really understand what I'm about to say. The model here should be not just a regular V8, but at some point, believe it or not, Oldsmobile made a 4.2 liter inline 8. Let me say that again. Inline 8. Do you have any idea how long of a motor that would be? Massive. And producing, a whopping 110 horsepower for the 1930s, 40s. Those are like Hellcat numbers going by today's standards. Almost 100 years later. Oh, Jesus, where does the time fly? That's wild. Anyway, enough of me ranting. Let's hop back in, start her up, and I'll see you in traffic.
Alright, so here we are, a little something different than usual. Instead of cutting it up, we still gonna, bash around, cut up and shit. All that good stuff. But, we'll play some Crazy Taxi. Got the taxi job here on the server. I haven't actually played this in a while, so about to drive around in an overpowered taxi and have some fun. We upped the power from the original 100 horsepower in 9.8 to something a little bit more reasonable. Now 100 horsepower, V8 supercharged, light. But yeah, with that said, let's get to work, right? And we're off to find our first customer.
Leaning back in the Hyundai, 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 leaning back in the Hyundai.
Got my foot down on the pedal, switching lanes, shifting gears. Got your bitch in the backseat, turning up, letting loose, taking shots out the bottle, knocking back 100 proof. Shorty proving she could hang with the boom, zooms, yeah. Spark the marijuana.
Found our first customer.
Set the mood, turn the beat and feel the bass. Leave your body in the room, leaning back.
How you doing, sir?
All my niggas counting.
Let's get you there. Where's he going? Check our map real quick. Oh yeah, we out. Don't worry, sir, I got this. I promise we will get there in one piece. It's really a guesstimation on the right-hand side of what the heck is going on. Had to switch the camera around, driver's side perspective, because I can't see it. Damn thing. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Ooh. Good lord, that was nice. It shifted, but damn. What's that?
Cruising on the turnpike, stomping on the gas, switching in and out of lanes, shifting gears, flying like a private plane, out of here, traveling at light speed, moving through the hills, liquor in my liver, weed in my lungs, pussy on my mind, and counting for the fun.
Okay.
Tell me what it's really worth, what's it worth?
Oh. You're good, right? Ah, cool. We're cool. We're cool. Cool. We're cool. Cool. Nice. $300. I'll take that. The 6 cams here.
Wanna know what's it really worth? What's the price of love? How much for these drugs? Take it as a loss, take it as a loss. All the loss are gone. Why I feel so lost when I'm on the job, seeking peace and God. Lord knows I be working hard.
Hold on, sir. Hop in. I got you. Bay Tree Canyon Road? Where is it?
what's it worth? Whoa.
We'll be there in moments. Don't worry, sir. I will get us out of here.
Yeah. Ha. Present. Bless.
Water down. Water down. Water down.
Puerto Rican mommy, she called me Papito. If you double cross, of course your abuelito. We are not the same, dog, we different people. If you do the math, you see that we not equals.
Good thing these clouds are pretty patient,
Look
right?
like equals. Me and Tracy on the track. You look at your fuck your hand
I
out.
think the
I'm
wrong
just
road.
trying to live to see my niggas in that penthouse. Used to pay my rent.
The wrong road. Don't worry, sir, we'll
my
get you
wrist
there.
and it's water now.
Oh, no. Okay. That was absolute hell. Get out. At least it was $1,000. Sheesh. There he is. Hop in, sir. Mount Han Road. Let's double check. I'm not taking that road again. Rockstar. Give pedestrians a little bit more help in the car.
Man, ain't nobody even out here. Ain't nobody out here. Nobody wanna mess with the smoke, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that boy pressure, leave him in the stretcher, in the pool full of ketchup, 2 split, beat the setup, flipping playing dress up for the salad
There's
dressing.
a shit camera angle to use with a steering wheel.
Can't take it with you, little sisters crying broke. Get them boys some tissues, ain't no issue at all. Flip them with a pistol, good having not as for sure. It's about the people. I've been back to back, double long, feeling spiritual. My shit hit green, I'm thankful, that's why they call me presidential. Left my bad bitch got a loyal one. She come every time I hit the motor. Some pussy wanna roll with no lawyer, first get your money up. You gon' need an army trying to harm me crazy. I bang with the best.
Worst
I'm
camera.
50 late 80s baby. Mama raised me blow the doors off the beat. Easier to squeeze 50 clips for Philippe. You ain't sliding for real. You ain't been closer than I ain't lining no drill. I'm just trying to elevate, pick up checks, stick to stage, heavy like anime. In Philly with 7 6s, call me Clipper. Took plates, turn them to barrels, call me Flipper. I'm from an era where you couldn't hang if you didn't
Really?
bang. If I
You know, sometimes it's GPS.
didn't bring, you couldn't
question.
walk around.
Question the hell.
Little chains,
Where are you
playing
taking
snakes with the Hawk and the Smith in broad day. Had them coming up off they shit. Don't be a player hater, keep it player. Never last but not least, don't never let them play with your name. Never fucking some had them boys nodding
For sure, for sure,
We had them boys nodding
for sure, for sure.
Good for you, shadow.
All my niggas keeping secrets, you know we need them. I ain't leave the house in seasons, made some millions. $4 then I clean it, confess the street. Pay my taxes, feed the children, they call me Jesus. Just a man, on this beach of Cuba. Tint the windows on the greenish coupe.
$400, really? That was crap.
Shorty said she a fan.
Let's try a drag race. Then hold it.
First off, when G came, when Wu came, when EB came for me, everybody can get it. I told them niggas to suck my like, get out, slap it out, suck my dick, get on my dick.
Oh well. What do you guys think? Classique Broadway.
Voiceover me here. Hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Links for all the mods that we use are in the description as always. If you want to join us on the 5M server, links for that are in the description through the Discord as always. And I hope to check you out in the next one. Peace.